Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on a 3-day visit to Answer B, United States of America. What is the official motto of Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic and Paralympic? Answer A. Together for a shared future. The Ministry of Commerce has decided to observe Commerce Week from Answer B. 20 to 26 September. Who has been conferred with the CDG Pragati Puraskar for sustained progress in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals? SDGs. Answer D. Sheikh Hasina. Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited is being merged with which media company? Answer B. Sony Pictures Network India. Who has won his 24th world title at the IBSF 6 Red Snooker World Cup in Doha? Answer D. Pankaj Advani. The first edition of the Himalayan Film Festival 2021 THFF will be from September 24 to 28 from Answer A. Ladakh. Facebook India has appointed a former IS officer as the Director of Public Policy. Answer D. Rajiv Agarwal. In which of these areas the Uttar Pradesh government has given approval to set up an electronic park? Answer C. Noida. Who among the following has been appointed as the acting president of the Asian Olympic Council OCA? Answer B. Randhir Singh. Which former president of Portugal has passed away recently at the age of 81? Answer A. George Sampaio. Who among the following has become the first British woman player to win the US Open after 8.53 years? Answer C. Emma Raducanu. Which country has recently announced that it was sent $64 million humanitarian aid to Afghanistan? Answer C. America. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of National Fertilizer Limited NFL? Answer B. Dilip Singh Rai. Which of the following has become the first country in the world to vaccinate children? Answer A. Cuba. Which financial body has recently approved USD 112 million loan to improve water supply infrastructure in Jharkhand? Answer A. Asian Development Bank. Which day is observed globally as World Suicide Prevention Day every year? Answer C. 10 September. Recently, who has received the 7 Yamin Hazarika Women's of Sustenance Award? Answer C. Namita Gokhale. Who has recently become the brand ambassador of Tata AIA Life Insurance? Answer C. Neeraj Chopra. Recently, in which city India's tallest air purifier 24 meters have been installed? Answer B. Chandigarh. Recently, the government of which state has appointed former SBI chairman Rajneesh Kumar as its financial advisor? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. What is the theme of 2021 International Sign Language Day? Answer D. We sign from human rights. Who among the following has been selected for the 2021 Changemaker Award? Answer D. Firoi Faiza Baithar. Dash has announced tie-up with One Card for a mobile first credit card that targets the youngest tech-savvy population of the country. Answer B. Federal Bank. How many SDG advocates have so far been appointed by the UN Secretary General to deliver 17 SDGs by 2030? Answer A. 16. The National Single Window System (NSWS) for investors and business in India has been launched by which ministry? Ministry of Commerce and Industry. What is the latest projected GDP growth rate of India in 2021 to 2022 as per ADB? Answer B. 10%.